Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do something that was really simple for my first video of the new year, and so I decided to just do this really simple glitter look. So I know for the holiday season I did some intricate looks, and I wanted to do something that wasn't a cut crease and that was pretty simple to do, so that's why I decided to do this look today for my beginners and for anyone who's just a makeup enthusiast and loves glitter and glam. So I hope you guys enjoy this look the way I do. If you do, then please let me know in the comments below that you're feeling this look. Please also don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that I know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm giving you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And don't forget to encourage other people to subscribe as well. And share these videos, y'all. Let other people see how to get these slays. Now for this video, I did have to do just the music because I couldn't talk through since my kids are actually right here and watching a movie, and I didn't want all that noise in the background. So I'm going to have music playing throughout this video. It's going to be more of a tutorial that's kind of just showing you things, but it's a very simple look, so you don't really need a walkthrough really for this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I can't wait for what 2019 has in store for you and me. Bye. Alright beauty, so we're starting off with some chapstick to get those lips moisturized, and then I'm going to put a headband on to keep my hair back so it doesn't get in the way. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I'm just lining out my eyebrow, and then I'm going to just put that on my lid as my eyeshadow base. It just makes it easier for me to do my eyebrows later. Then I'm doing the Box of Crayons palette and going into the yellow and tan color and blending that into my crease and above my crease. And I'm mixing the two colors to make more of a mustard color. Then I'm going into the brown color and blending that right underneath, right directly into the crease. And then I'm using a brush with no product on it to blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going into a smaller blending brush and going into the black to create some dimension. And I don't want that to stay so dark, so I went back in with the brown and blended that right on top of where I blended the black. Then on top of that with the tan, just to make this more of a caramel-y color with them, and you can see the gradient there. Then I like to use the concealer in the Huda Beauty New palette, and because it's really sticky, and I used the lime color out of the Box of Crayons palette on my lid directly on top of that concealer that I put on my eye from the Huda palette. And I'm just blending out everything so that it blends together seamlessly. And then I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to be applying this greenish gold glitter. And I just took a flat brush and just applied the glitter. It didn't go up as far as I wanted it to because the NYX glitter glue dried, so I just went back in and took it up a little bit further and added more glitter. And I didn't want this to be a cut crease, I wanted it to be an easier beginner look, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is to achieve a glitter look. And then I just blended again with the brown over the crease just to make sure that everything blended seamlessly. Now I'm going in with my Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer, and I'm going to be using this because it has SPF 30 in it. You see my daughter's arm there, they were watching a movie. And this is the Touch Glorious Primer. I'm using this for my primer today from Unique. And I like this primer, it makes your skin really soft, but I do have oily skin, and I find that it does make my skin oily if I don't set it, so I'm setting it with my Sacha Buttercup powder. I have really oily skin, so for me, for my makeup to set and really stay all day, I have to use a lot of powder. This is the BH Cosmetics Flawless Foundation, and I believe it's in a beige color, some type of a beige color. I'm going to list all of the products below. I'm not in front of the products right now, but it's a beige color but I'm definitely going to list it below. It has really good coverage to it, but it also can be a little bit, make my skin a little oily, so you'll see I'm going to be setting my face a lot again. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige once again. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Espresso, and I'm using that for my contour shade. So I use a lot of affordable products on this to make it something that's easy for beginners and products that will be easier for beginners to get. You see I need to clean that sponge. Don't judge me. I'm going to clean it. But I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus Max Spray just to get it a little damp. I didn't want it to be too wet. And this is a Sonia Kashuk sponge from Target. And then this is just a flat brush that I was using to just line out where I had the shadow. And then I wanted to stipple in the contour shade, so I'm using a stipple brush to do that. Then the LA Girl Pro Conceal once again, I just added a little bit more to set that highlight. Now we're going to go ahead and set everything. So I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm blending that right underneath my eyes. I'm really just dusting it to make sure that my eyes don't crease, and putting it in all the areas where I want to highlight. But I'm going to dust it back off, and then I'm going to bake a little later. So like I said, you'll see me use a lot of setting powder because my skin is really oily. So right now I'm using the Covergirl Ebony Bronzer, and I'm just bronzing up my face for my contour. I tried to get another one of these, and oh my god, Amazon had one for like $45. I'm like, what? So I hope they have them in stores because I really love my ebony bronzer. So now you see I'm adding the Sacha Buttercup powder again because I did want to bake a little, and also I wanted to have something there for when I put this bottom shade in, which is a black eyeshadow from the Box of Crayons palette. Then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Extreme pencil, and it has a little smudger on the back, so I'm smudging that into the black that I put at the bottom, and then I'm dusting some brown underneath. Now I'm just using a big fluffy brush to blend away all of the powder, and now it's a little powdery, so I'm using my NYX matte setting spray to let everything seep into the skin. And then I had put a little bit too much around my mouth, so I just tapped it into my skin, and then I'm just dusting a little bit more powder just where I felt like it just got a little too saturated. Then I just went back in with a little bit more bronzer as well. And now I'm using this mascara that I got from Nipsey bag. I'm going to list that below. And then this is the NYX matte eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner to use, and I am just applying that very low to the by the eyes because I didn't want it to be like an eyeliner look. I just wanted it to cover the lash band. And then I started my brows with the ColourPop Deep Bangin' Brunette brow pomade, and I put on my lash before it dried out, and then finished doing that brow with the ColourPop Bangin' Brunette. Then this is the Tarte Feisty blush, which I got from a Nipsey bag, and I just use that to blush. And then I'm going in with my Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. This is my favorite everyday highlighter. It's really beautiful, and it packs a bang, and it's buildable. And I added that also in my inner corner and as my brow highlight. And then I'm going in with my Oprah Nikkitutorials collaboration highlighter, and I use the white color and the champagne color for my inner corner highlight. And then this is the Violet Voss Soul. I believe it's called Soul. I'll definitely link it below to be sure, but that's what I like to use to outline my lips. And then this is the Ofra Nikkitutorials collaboration nude lipstick. Then I'm going to add my LA Girl Pro Conceal Pure Beige on my lips to give it more of a tan look. And then the ColourPop Neat Free Gloss and Max See-Through Gloss for the middle. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this glitter glam look. I just wanted to do something that was going to be more of a simple look for beginners to be able to follow, but still a super glam look. So if you are a beginner, I promise you these steps are so simple. You can definitely get this. And even if you're not a beginner, I think this is just a super beautiful glam look for every day, or for if you're going somewhere special. This is bomb. So I hope you guys enjoy this look the way I do. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. I want to know how you guys are feeling about this look. I also want to know how you're feeling about the content in general, and if this is something that you are enjoying seeing. Also, don't forget to let me know if there's a specific look that you would like me to do, or if there's something that you've been wanting me to try out. Let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely try and get that done for you. Also, please give me a like and let me know. That will let me know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm giving you, and that you also are enjoying this video. And don't forget to share these videos, y'all. Share these slays. Let other people see how to get these beats, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Welcome if you are new, and if you are not, thank you guys so much for supporting me, my ride or dies. I really appreciate you so much. And I just want to let you guys know, I pretty much have most of my setup together. I have to put my desk together, and then set up my hard drive. But I'm about to be giving you guys content from camera, so I'm trying to step it up for you, and I'm going to continue to step it up as much as I can. So stay tuned for that, and let me know if you notice the changes when they come. Also, just to let you know, I'm going to be starting a weight loss series on here, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure that you stay tuned and turn your notifications on. Me and my husband are both doing JJ Smith's 6 Weeks to Sexy program. Right now I'm going through the first week of it, which is like a modified fast, and then it's going to be doing the keto diet, but in a healthy way. So I'm really excited about doing this. I've been wanting to do the keto diet again. I did it before, but the way I was doing it was not working out for me. So I'm really excited to try it this new healthier way, and see what my results are. I'm also going to be doing a rice water challenge on my hair myself, and also on my daughter's hair. So I'm going to be having videos showing you that as well, just so you can see, does this work? Because we are really trying to get our hair to flourish, okay? Careers to flourish, life to flourish, okay? We're trying to get everything popping in 2019. So I really want to see if this rice water works. So I'm going to have a whole lot of different content coming to you guys. So stay tuned, turn that notifications bell on, and don't forget to encourage other people to subscribe and share these videos so we can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Bye-bye.